How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have got 2 sisters and 1 brother.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 62 kilograms.
How many friends do you have?
I have 3 good friends.
How many pets do you have?
I have got 2 cats.
How many plants do you have in your house?
I have got a lot of plants, maybe 10 or 15.
How much tea do you drink in a day?
I normally drink 5 cups of tea in one day.
How many meals do you have a day?
I have 3 meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then a snack in the evening.
How many books have you read this year?
I think I have only read 2 books this year, but they were very good books.
How many DVDs have you got?
I have got a lot of DVDs. I think I have 20 at the moment.
And how many CDs have you got?
I have got too many CDs, possibly more than 100.
How many hours do you watch TV a day?
I don't watch TV every day, but sometimes I watch 1 or 2 hours in the evening.
How much time do you spend on your phone?
I normally spend 1 hour on my phone in the morning looking at social media.
How much does it cost to go to the cinema in England?
It costs £8 or £9.
And how much does bread cost in England?
It can cost 50p, or you can pay £1.50.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.